Okay, so with this experiment, we are going to be demonstrating the hydrophobic properties of what's called magic sand. Okay, so what you're going to need for this is some magic sand, some water, and a spoon. So we're going to take just a little bit of the magic sand, and we're going to just kind of drizzle it on the surface of the water. So what you should be able to see is that when I stick my finger into the water in the magic sand, my finger comes out and it's not wet at all, but you can see me stick my finger in. So now we're gonna add a little bit more magic sand in. And what you're gonna see at the bottom of the glass is the magic sand is in there and it's kind of forming a clumpy globular-like substance. So it looks like it's gone in there and like had a reaction with the water or something. So now let's see what happens when we get that magic sand back out of the water. You'll see that it is completely still sandy. And you can use it over and over again. And every time we do it, you'll see that it's completely dry. Okay, so what we just witnessed with the magic sand is something called hydrophobic. So when we put the sand in the water, we saw that it didn't mix with the water, and when we pulled it back out, it was still completely dry. This is because when we stuck it in the water, this magic sand is hydrophobic, which means that it hates water, like it will not touch it. That's because it has a special coating around it that when it gets in the water molecules, which automatically want to just like get everything wet, like mix with everything, soak through your clothes when you're in the rain. It's coming towards the sand molecule, and then the sand molecule is like, oh no, I've got a special coating on me that makes me water resistant. So when we put it in the thing, you could almost see the bubbles surrounding the big clumps of magic sand when we put it in the water. And that's because the sand just, it has an end that just would not react with the end of the water molecule. It hates water, so it pushed it away and it wouldn't let it make it get wet. So when we pulled it back out, it was still completely dry.